Hey everyone, how about a random video about birds on my property? There some of them go. That's Rufus. He's kind of a jerk, but we love him anyway. These are my new two favorites. This is Maverick. No, that's Goose. Goose and Maverick. Little babies, aren't they so cute? I gotta tell you, there's something that just feels right about having a bird ride your arm. This is my favorite chicken. This is Lavender. Say hello, Lavender. The dog scared this chick and it just flew from down there to all the way up there. I don't even know how. Hold it. Come here, bud. Oh my gosh, no! No! That was the wrong thing to do! No! What's your game plan here, bird?
Yeah.
Look at this bold bird. Oh! It jumped down. He's totally fine.